ProtoPie versus Axure RP. Which one should I choose for prototyping? ProtoPie and Axure RP for prototyping depends on your specific needs, preferences, and the complexity of the project. Here are some factors to consider. Ease of use. ProtoPie is known for its user-friendly interface. It's easy to learn, especially for beginners. Axure RP, on the other hand, has a steeper learning curve but offers more advanced features. Interactivity. Both tools offer high-fidelity prototyping with a high level of interactivity. However, Axure RP is often praised for its advanced dynamic content, conditional flow, and variables. Collaboration. Axure RP has strong collaboration features, allowing multiple users to work on the same project simultaneously. ProtoPie also offers collaboration, but it's not as robust as Axure's. Integration. ProtoPie integrates well with Sketch and Adobe XD. Axure RP, on the other hand, doesn't have direct integration with these design tools, but it supports importing files from them. Pricing. Axure RP is more expensive than ProtoPie. If budget is a concern, ProtoPie might be a better choice. If you have enough budget, Axure RP is better. Community and support. Both have good community support and learning resources, but Axure RP has been around longer and has a larger user base. Axure also has comprehensive libraries, template downloads, and learning websites like AxureBoutique.com. Generally, if you're a beginner or on a budget, or if you need a tool that integrates well with Sketch or Adobe XD, ProtoPie might be the better choice. If you need advanced features, strong collaboration tools, or if you're working on a complex project, Axure RP might be more suitable.